Hi everyone, today I'm going to introduce the AUX-CH menu of T8S and T8FB transmitter. For T8S and T8FB, we need a parameter adjustment app to set the parameters. You can download the app from RadioLink official site. You can use iPhone, Android phone, and a computer to set the parameters. And I use iPhone in this tutorial. And since the functions of the parameter adjustment app for T8S and T8FB are the same, I take T8S as an example. And I have downloaded the parameter adjustment app on this iPhone. Here it is. Open it. Click Collect. A list of devices will pop out. Select RadioLink. T8S will beep, and we need to press any one of the three buttons. These are the three buttons of T8S, and press any one of it. The beeping stops and they are collected. We can see the servo value on the app. Move the joystick. The servo value changes, which means the collection is successful. Then we can set the parameters of T8S on the app and click System. Here is the AUX-CH menu. The switches of all the channels can be customized. And for stick mode 1 to 4, the switches of channel 1 to channel 4 are the 4 joysticks. You can only set the switches for channel 5 to channel 8. And if the stick mode is set to AUX, the switches of all the 8 channels can be customized. And the stick mode of this transmitter is mode 2 now. So I can set the switches of channel 5 to channel 8. And let's check the switches of channel 5 to channel 8 to know all the switches of T8S. And the switches can be set to switch A. Here it is. Switch B, this one. Virtual A, here it is. Virtual B, always say switch C. It is switched here. Lock C is also this switch, but in the other working mode. And I'll introduce it later. And you can also set the switches of channel 5 to channel 8 to the 4 sticks. So I set the switch of channel 5 to switch A. And switch B for channel 6. Virtual A for channel 7. Virtual B or switch C for channel 8. Click right to save the modifications. The beeping sounds means the settings are saved. And go to servo display. Let's move the switches and check the servo display. Switch A, channel 5. Switch B, channel 6. Virtual A, channel 7. And Virtual B or switch C is for channel 8. We can see that Virtual B or switch C works as a momentary switch, and the servo value will reach the maximum when you press it, and reach the minimum when you loosen it. Press and loose. Then let's set the switch to lock C to see the difference between lock C and switch C. And since you can also set the stick to control the channel 5 to channel 8. And for example, I set the stick 1 to control channel 7. And click right to save the modifications. Go to servo display. Press switch C. And press it again. We can see that switch C works as a 2-position switch now. The servo value will reach the maximum when you press it once, and reach the minimum when you press it again. So this is the difference between switch C and lock C. And also push the stick 1. It will control channel 1 and channel 7 at the same time, which means you can get the mixed function of the channel 1 to channel 4 and channel 5 to channel 8 by setting the same switch to control the. When you don't want the 2 joysticks to control channel 1 to channel 4, instead you want to use the switches such as switch A, switch B to control channel 1 to channel 4. You can set the stick mode to AUX to get the function you want. Then I can assign the switches I want for channel 1 to channel 4. For example, I assign a switch A for channel 1. Switch B for channel 2, Virtual A for channel 3, Virtual B or switch C for channel 4, and stick 1 for channel 5, stick 2 for channel 6, stick 3 for channel 7, and stick 4 for channel 8. So the switches of all the 8 channels can be customized, and then click Write to save the modifications. And go to servo display. Let's move all the switches to check the servo display of all the 8 channels. Channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4, channel 5, channel 6, channel 7, and channel 8. That is to say, in aux mode, you can customize the switches for every channel, which will be helpful for users to control different models. So that's all about the aux-CH menu of T8S and T8FB transmitter.